AICTE QIPPG Certificate Program is the visionary initiative designed to empower the teaching fraternity of the core branches of engineering and technology in emerging areas. Conceptualized and initiated in 2024, AICTE QIPPG Certificate Program will act as a bridge, enriching the professional powers of faculty members through curated postgraduate level certifications. The program not only sharpens individual expertise but also cultivates a culture of excellence, enabling institutions to stay ahead in the rapidly evolving domains of engineering and technology. By fostering collaboration between premier institutions and faculty, it creates ripples of transformation that extend far beyond individual achievements, inspiring generations of students and academic communities alike. In the vibrant spirit of knowledge and recognition, the QIPPG Certificate Program, under the aegis of AICTE, prepares to leap forward, revolutionizing the academic environment. The first step is honoring the coordinators and participants of its inaugural batch. This prestigious felicitation ceremony brings together brilliant minds from India's premier institutions such as Indian Institute of Science, Bangalore, IIT Kharagpur, IIT Roorkee, IIT Lucknow, IIT Nagpur, ABV IIITM Gwalior, IIT Kottayam, IIT Tiruchirappalli, IIT Surat, IIT Vadodara, IIITDM Kurnool, IIT Dhanbad, IIT Bhilai, IIT Jammu, IIT Palakkad, IIT Kalyani, IIT Dharwad, IIT Patna, IIT Raichur, IIT Una and CDEC COEP Pune. As luminaries from these esteemed institutions gather, the ceremony stands as a celebration of academic vision, collaborative growth, and an enduring commitment to nurturing innovation. Each institute's presence is a testament to the transformative power of education, guided by the light of progress and unity. This initiative underscores our collective commitment to progress, inclusivity, and excellence in education. As we continue on this journey, let us harness the power of learning to shape a brighter future. Thank you.